But I'll offer you a solution, Senator Win. Mag-meeting tayo, may naiisip akong solusyon. Mahirap umanap tayo ng solusyon kung sino ang tunay na Senate President kasi yung 3 libro na hawak ko ay nagsasabing yung legitimate Senate President, yung nahalal nung 13. No? By the way, guys, let me go to that muna na mabilis. Ito. Sabi po sa Philippine Constitution, hindi lang to sa rules, sa Philippine Constitution, nakalagay po dito, the Senate shall elect its President and the House of Representatives its Speaker by a majority vote of all its members. Of all its members. Iba po yun sa sinasabi dito, a majority of each House shall constitute a quorum to do business, but a smaller number may adjourn from day to day. So yung a majority of each House and a majority of all its members, magkaiba yon. At sinasabi din dito po na, meron po kasi dito yung about each house being able to pass its own rules, no? Each house may determine the rules of its proceedings. So kung titingnan mo ang rules natin, yung officers po, yung secretary, yung sergeant at arms, Senate President pro tempore at Senate President, 13 ang kailangan. Kasi all members. So, ang Constitution ay nagbibigay ng power sa rules at sinasabi po dito sa dalawa na kailangan 13. So, kung walang 13, hindi kayo tunay.